Let's be honest. You've been running from challenges, haven't you? Every time something hard comes your way, you find an excuse. This isn't my job. This isn't my responsibility. Sound familiar? And when someone criticizes you, what do? You get defensive. You shut down. But here's the truth. That reaction? It's a sign of weakness. Challenges are not your enemy. They're your opportunity. They're what make you stronger. But instead of facing them, you run. You make plans, but you never follow through. Why? Because your willpower is weak. And let me tell you something. Weak willpower doesn't just stop you from succeeding, it stops you from living the life you want. You say, I'm doing my best. But are you really? If you were truly giving it your all, you wouldn't be stuck in the same place. You'd be somewhere else, somewhere better. The truth is, the path to strength is through struggle. If you want to be strong, you have to stop running. You have to stop looking for an escape. Instead, you need to fight. Fight your fears. Fight your doubts. Fight the voice in your head that tells you to quit. Fear doesn't control you. You control it. And every time you face a challenge, you get stronger. But if you keep running, you'll never know what real strength feels like. So what's it going to be? Will you keep running, or will you finally stand and fight? No one is coming to save you. Let that sink in for a moment. No one is going to swoop in and make you strong. No one is going to hand you the life you want. Life owes you nothing. Nothing. And yet, here you are, waiting for someone to notice you, waiting for the perfect moment, waiting for life to give you what you think you deserve. But let me tell you something. Life doesn't care about what you think you deserve. Life only cares about what you earn. You think you're strong, don't you? Then why do you feel so conflicted right now? Why do you feel stuck? It's because you've been shaped by the lies you tell yourself. You've been shaped by the things you've been told, not by the life you've actually lived. Real strength isn't about escaping into some fantasy world where everything is easy. It's not about waiting for the perfect conditions. Strength isn't out there somewhere. It's inside you. But here's the catch. If you don't bring it out, life will move on without you. It will push you aside and leave you behind. How do you feel right now? Angry? Frustrated? Good. Use it. Don't suppress those emotions. Channel them. Your anger, your pain, your frustration, they're not your enemies. They're your fuel. They're the fire that can drive you forward, but only if you let them. If you're unhappy with where you are right now, do something about it. Stop waiting. Stop blaming. Stop hoping for someone else to fix it. The only person who can change your life is you. But first, you have to face yourself. Do you have the courage to do that? Let's get real. Why are you weak? It's because fear has been running your life. Fear has controlled every decision you've made. It's held you back from taking risks, from stepping out of your comfort zone, from becoming the person you're meant to be. But here's the thing. Fear gives you nothing. It doesn't protect you. It doesn't help you grow. All it does is trap you in a comfortable little bubble where nothing ever changes. And that comfort zone, it's killing your potential. You keep making excuses. I don't have time. Really? Then why do you spend hours scrolling through social media? Why do you waste your time on things that don't matter? The truth is, you do have time. You're just not using it wisely. But you don't want to admit that, do you? Because admitting it means taking responsibility, and responsibility is scary. But here's the truth. You have more time than you think. You have the time to change your life, to chase your goals, to become stronger. But instead, you're wasting it. You're letting fear and excuses rob you of your future. So what are you going to do about it? Are you going to keep lying to yourself? Or are you going to face the truth? The truth is, you're weak because you've let fear control you. But you don't have to stay that way. You can break free. You can take control, but only if you're willing to act. Now is the time to stop making excuses. Now is the time to stop letting fear win. If you don't, nothing will ever change. So what's it going to be? Will you keep hiding behind your excuses, or will you finally step up and take control of your life? Let's clear something up. Strength isn't about how you feel. It's not about waking up every day and feeling motivated or confident. Real strength has nothing to do with emotions. It's about actions. It's about what you do, especially when you don't feel like doing anything at all. Strength is standing tall when life tries to knock you down. It's showing up, even when everything inside you is screaming to quit. It's making a promise to yourself and keeping it, no matter how hard it gets. That's what real strength looks like. You see, feelings are unreliable. One day you feel unstoppable. The next you feel like giving up. But discipline doesn't care how you feel. Discipline is what keeps you moving forward when your emotions try to hold you back. So stop waiting to feel strong. Stop waiting for the perfect moment when everything feels right. That moment isn't coming. Strength isn't about waiting, it's about doing. It's about taking action, even when you're scared, tired, or unsure. Every time you push through the discomfort, every time you take a step forward despite the fear, you're building real strength. And that strength, it's not something you feel, it's something you become. So ask yourself, are you ready to stop relying on your feelings? Are you ready to take action no matter what? Because that's the only way to become truly strong. So here we are. After everything you've heard so far, there's only one question left to ask. Are you ready? Are you ready to stop lying to yourself? Are you ready to stop making excuses? Are you ready to face the truth and take control of your life? Because here's the thing, words mean nothing without action. You can listen to this video 100 times, but if you don't apply what you've learned, nothing will change. You've been stuck in the same cycle for too long. You've been waiting for the perfect moment, the perfect plan, the perfect feeling. But let me tell you something, that moment isn't coming. The only way to change your life is to act. Right now, not tomorrow, not next week, now. So are you ready to stop waiting? Are you ready to take the first step? Because if you are, I'm about to give you the tools you need. 4 fundamental steps that will take you to the next level. But here's the catch. These steps only work if you do. If you're not ready to commit, stop here. But if you're serious about becoming stronger, then let's get to work. Step 1, embrace pain. Life is tough. Pain is inevitable. But here's the truth. Pain isn't your enemy. It's your greatest teacher. Every time you run from pain, you're running from growth. Stop resisting it. Stop avoiding it. Instead, embrace it. Feel it. Let it shape you. Every difficult moment you face is an opportunity to become stronger. Pain isn't here to break you. It's here to build you. Step 2, develop discipline. Stop letting your feelings control you. Feelings are temporary and they'll lead you astray. Discipline, on the other hand, is your compass. It keeps you on track, even when you don't feel like it. Discipline is doing what needs to be done, day after day, no matter how hard it gets. Focus on your goals. Take small, consistent steps every single day. That's how you build real strength. Step 3, eliminate excuses. Excuses are the chains that keep you stuck. I don't have time. I'm too tired. It's too hard. These are lies you tell yourself to stay comfortable. But here's the truth. You do have time. You can do it. You're just choosing not to. Stop making excuses. Stop lying to yourself. The moment you eliminate excuses, you'll realize how much you're truly capable of. Step 4, fight yourself. Your biggest battle isn't with the world, it's with yourself. The person you are right now, that's not who you have to be. If you're not happy with who you are, change. Recreate yourself. Leave behind the weak, insecure version of you. You have the power to become someone stronger, someone better. But it starts with fighting the old you. So what does it take to be strong? Real strength isn't something you're born with. It's something you build. But to build it, you have to do the hard work. You have to face the truth about yourself. You have to let go of the weak, insecure version of you that's been holding you back. Strength starts with a decision to stop making excuses, a decision to stop running from pain, a decision to stop blaming the world for your problems. If you want to be strong, you have to take responsibility for your life. No one else can do it for you. But here's the hard part. To become strong, you have to let go of the person you are right now. You have to abandon the mindset that's been keeping you stuck. You have to leave behind the habits, the excuses, and the fears that have been holding you back. This isn't easy. It's uncomfortable. It's painful. But it's necessary because the person you are right now isn't the person who's going to achieve your goals. To get to where you want to be, you have to become someone stronger, someone more disciplined, someone who doesn't quit. So ask yourself, are you willing to do what it takes? Are you willing to face yourself, to confront your weaknesses, and to leave behind the version of you that's been holding you back? Because that's the only way to find real strength. Let's talk about the other side of the coin. What happens if you don't take action? What happens if you keep living the way you are right now? Here's the harsh truth. If you don't change, nothing will change. You'll keep making excuses. You'll keep telling yourself you're strong, but deep down, you'll know it's a lie. You'll keep running from challenges, avoiding pain, and staying in your comfort zone. And at some point, maybe years from now, you'll look back and realize something. You wasted your potential. You'll realize that all the things you wanted, the strength, the success, the life you dreamed of, were within your reach. But you didn't take them. Why? Because you were too afraid. Because you let fear and excuses control you. And here's the worst part. You'll have no one to blame but yourself. Not your circumstances, not other people, just you. Because the truth is, you had the power to change all along. You just didn't use it. So ask yourself, is that the life you want? A life of regret? A life where you look back and wonder, what if? Or do you want to look back and say, I gave it everything I had. I became the person I was meant to be. The choice is yours. But remember this, if you don't take action, you'll stay exactly where you are, and nothing will ever change. Everything, you know what needs to be done. Now it's time to make a choice. You have two options. The first, you finish watching this video, feel a little inspired, and then go back to your old life. You keep making excuses. You keep running from challenges. You keep lying to yourself, and nothing changes. Or you make a real decision. You decide that enough is enough. You decide to stop waiting, stop blaming, and stop hiding. You decide to take control of your life, to face your fears, to embrace the pain, to fight for the person you want to become. This is your moment, right here, right now. No one else can make this decision for you. It's all on you. So what's it going to be? Will you keep living the same life? Or will you step up and become the person you were meant to be? The choice is yours, but remember this, every second you wait is a second you'll never get back. So don't wait, don't hesitate, make your decision now. And when you do, commit to it, because this is your life, and it's time to take it back. Now I want to hear from you. Comment below with your biggest fear that's holding you back, or share the goal you're finally ready to commit to. Your declaration here isn't just words, it's the first step of your new journey. Take that step right now.